And right now, assessing the damage. A Will County manufacturer is destroyed by fire early this morning. A fire so big, in fact, it could be seen for miles. The building housed Rovanco piping systems and stood right along the frontage road near I-55 and Route 59 in Joliet. Courtney Sisk reports.
Melted remains cover the grounds of what used to be Rovanco piping systems following a massive fire Monday morning. The family-owned company manufactures pre-insulated piping. Employees arriving for their shift at 4 a.m. noticed smoke inside the building and called 911.
As our crews arrived, they found heavy fire through the side of the building and the roof.
Troy Fire Protection District Chief Paul Hertzman said it quickly escalated to a 3-alarm fire as there were no hydrants nearby. It required 16 water tanker trucks, 10 fire engines, and 2 ladder trucks to fight it. A Joliet fire captain was injured in the process.
They went inside with a hand line to make a stop at that building to try to save the office area. Unbeknownst to them, the fire had already traveled over their heads in the ceiling area. When they pulled to check, the whole ceiling fell on them.
He suffered burns to his face and hands, but is in good condition at Loyola Medical Center. The fire also brought blasts.
First we heard like a noise, like a super loud noise.
It's almost cycling, like a tornado.
Danica Smith lives nearby and woke up immediately.
And then like 2 seconds later, it was a second explosion that was so big it like shattered, like shook the whole house.
She said one of her neighbors started honking their horn to wake the neighborhood up in case the fire spread their way. When she went outside, she saw the plume for herself.
We didn't know if we needed to leave. We didn't know what it was, if the factory was going to keep exploding, so we didn't know what was going on.
Fortunately, the strong winds worked in their favor, keeping the flames from spreading toward other buildings or homes. The cause of the fire is still under investigation, but the chief says they estimate about $30 million in immediate losses. Reporting in Joliet, Courtney Sisk, NBC 5 News.
Our thanks to Courtney for a look at that damage there.